So this is lecture 46 according to your lesson plan, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about this Wi-Fi communication. Okay, Wi-Fi, WiMAX we have seen. Now the next one is the Wi-Fi communication. Okay, so in that case, in this Li-Fi, it is known as the light fidelity. Okay, so as the name is suggesting, somehow it is working on the this light. Okay, rather than working on the microwaves, it is working or it is operating in this light. So this Li-Fi light fidelity is similar to Wi-Fi. This is wireless fidelity, but it uses light for data transmission instead of the radio waves. So microwaves की जगह we use this light for data transmission. It facilitates the wireless method of data transmission through visible light communication, that is known as the VLC, visual light communication technology, and can be up to 100 times faster than the Wi-Fi. Okay, so it can be 100%, 100 times faster than this Wi-Fi's. It uses the solid state lighting, that is your SSL, such as LED bulbs. Now, if I talk about this visual, so the frequency range is covered. That is your, you can see, you can see over here 4300 gigahertz. So you can see the speed. Okay, so if this is अगर मैं बात करूँ practically, okay, so practically we are still working on it, how to get this so much speed. Okay, not speed in terms of obviously high frequency. So if high frequency is high and this inversely proportional to time, so this delay will be less, okay, for transmitting the data. Now, if I talk about the advantages of this Li-Fi, okay, so it has less interference. Li-Fi can pass through salty seawater also. Okay, so underwater, you can say underwater transmission. This Li-Fi communication is good or can perform better in comparison of this if we are transmitting the microwave radar. Okay, so there are so much possibilities. Okay, there is another subject that is another research area, underwater localization. Okay, how to find out the object in underwater, because अगर आप पानी में ट्रांसमिशन करते हैं, ओके, जो माइक्रोवेव्स होती हैं, ओके, लाइक अगर मैं बात करूं रेडार की आप बात करते हैं, तो रेडार हम क्या, वेयर देयर इज नो मींस एलओएस इज डायरेक्टली अवेलेबल, लाइन ऑफ साइट इज अवेलेबल. ओके, इंटरफेरेंस अगर मैं देखूं किसी हाई स्ट्रेंथ सिग्नल को हम इजीली ट्रांसमिट कर सकते हैं, बट इन द केस ऑफ व्हेन वी डू द localization in underwater, we are transmitting the data when we are under the water. In that case, it is not so easy in comparison of this satellite communication. So for that purpose, because it can easily pass through the salty water, because medium जो change हो जाता है, so Li-Fi is good in this case. It can work in the dense region also, where the region is dense. Okay, we can operate in this region also. Okay, now if I talk about the applications, okay, it is used in airlines, it is used undersea exploration, that I told you. Okay, because जो लाइट है वो अब इजीली पास कर जाती है हमारे सॉल्टी वाटर में. Li-Fi कम्युनिकेशन में जो हमारे स्पीड जस्ट लाइट का हम यूज करते हैं. It is used operation theaters in the hospital, as light waves have little effect on medical instruments. Okay, it also used in office and homes for data transmission and internet browsing. Okay, so diversity is good in the case of the Li-Fi, because underwater localization was also mentioned. Airlines में भी आप use कर रहे हैं. So diversity is good in the case of Li-Fi. Now, if I talk about these are the pros and cons, so it includes pros, that is the speed. So light spectrum is nearly 10,000 times larger than the spectrum occupied by the your radio frequency. Okay, thereby it is 100 times faster in comparison of the Wi-Fi. Okay, so it can be transmitted up to 224 GB per second. Okay, so you can see the data rate, how much data is sending per second. So that is the optimize. Okay, practically we are working on it. Now, efficient and cheaper. Li-Fi is more efficient and cheaper than Wi-Fi due to the nature of LED bulbs. It will save cost in homes and workspace, and it can work without electronics device such as router, modems, and the so forth. Security radio waves can be interpreted by the people outside your network, but in that case, the security is high. Okay, so security is good in the case of. Now, if I talk about the availability, so with Li-Fi, every light source can facilitate you with the internet. Once the technology is available to the general public, it can be accessed via street light, building light, and so forth. Okay, because light are available is everywhere. You can see we are using also light in daily life. Now, if I talk about the cons of this Wi-Fi communication, so limited range. Okay, that is the Wi-Fi coverage can go up to only 32 meters as compared. Okay, no. Wi-Fi coverage can go 30 meter as compared to the your Wi-Fi. So as light can penetrate through walls, it is good with the security point of view, but it provides a limited range. This Wi-Fi can be effectively used in closed space. Okay, so means if you are using this communication within the room or within the home, okay, not in the open space. Okay, so it is, so एक तरह से हम बोल सकते हैं कि जो इसकी रेंज है, it is up to 10 meter or 15 meters. ओके, बिकॉज एक घर अगर इंडोर की हम बात करें तो उतना ही बड़ा होता है, और ऑब्वियसली अगर आउटडोर की बात करें, ओपन स्पेस की बात करें, तो सो मैनी अदर सिग्नल्स इज आल्सो अवेलेबल. नाउ इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द लाइफ, ऑब्वियसली अगर हम देखें सो टाइम टू टाइम जिस तरह से हम इस डेटा यूज करते हैं, ओके, सो हमें क्या चाहिए, एक तरह से हमें एक बैंड चाहिए. अब अगर हम अभी जिस उस पर ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, फ्रीक्वेंसीज को लेके ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, सो डे बाय डे अगर ये इंक्रीज होती जाएंगी, सो बैंड हमारे पास अवेलेबल नहीं रहेंगे, तो उस केस में जो हम क्या होंगे, एक सैचुरेशन लेवल पे पहुंच जाएंगे. सो फॉर दैट इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि हम एक अदर प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाएं. ओके, Li-Fi can be applied in traffic control system using a car's headlight, chemical manufacturing plants where radio frequency is too dangerous. Okay, spectrum can be utilized more than 1,000 times greater than the your entire spectrum. So these are the some points इनके थ्रू हमें लगता है कि जो आपका Li-Fi का है वो इम्पोर्टेंस ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए. Now, important is what is the difference between your Li-Fi and Wi-Fi. So if I talk about the application in your Wi-Fi, internet browsing with the help of your Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can see the diversity in the case of we are using this Li-Fi in airlines, undersea exploration, operation theater, office, and homes. Coverage 32 meter, or here you can say only 10 meters. Okay, so this is the disadvantage of Li-Fi because जो coverage है वो कम है. Data density is applicable only less dense environment, but it is applicable in high dense environment also. Use radio waves, use light source. Privacy is less secure, but in this case your security is more secure. Okay, so these are the some comparison between your Wi-Fi and the Li-Fi.